Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi 10C, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and in here locate your hotspot toggle. Now for me it is right over here. It's a little bit grayed out. That is because I have airplane mode on, so I'm gonna turn it off, and as you can see now it's accessible. So from here, when doing this the first time around, I recommend you hold the toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize it by selecting right here set up portable hotspot, and starting off by just changing this a really trash password. So I'm just going to completely remove it and set up my own. As you can see, your new password does need to have 8 characters in length at least. So there we go. You can also change the network name above, and there's a couple additional options, but if you're not sure what they do, I would probably recommend keeping them as they are. It will ensure that your hotspot will function basically in every circumstance that you will need it. So from here, make sure you tap on the checkbox right here to save the settings. If you just go back, it won't save the password change. And now find the toggle once again. This time around, just simply tap on it. This will toggle it on, as you can see when it's in blue, and you can connect to your hotspot now. And once you're done with it, do try to remember to turn it off. It does consume a little bit more battery, so just tap on the toggle once again to turn it off. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.